How to delete all alarms on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete all the alarms on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to delete all of your alarms on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open the clock application here, and let's say you have so many of the alarms enabled over here, and then you want to delete all these alarms. To delete is very simple. Make sure you're under the alarm tab. Just like you turned on all of these, you just want to turn these alarms off. If you want to delete it, you can long press on it to delete it by tapping the delete alarm here. Long press on it and then just tap on delete alarm. Long press on it and tap on delete alarm. If you want to turn it off only, you can do that, but if you want to delete it, long press and tap on it and repeat the process for any of the other alarms that you might want to delete. This way you should be able to delete all alarms on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.